Okay, I am going to show you how to make a tablecloth garland. I used, for the backdrop, it's just the iridescent table cover. It's like $2.98, and this one's pretty big. And these are the 98-cent really flimsy sheer tablecloths. Doesn't matter really the size, it's just based on how many of these little circles you need. I am doing a mermaid themed party. Sorry, my husband's vacuuming in the background. And the party is tomorrow, so I'm doing this last minute. The tablecloths come folded, so when you open them, I already cut this one a little bit, it'll just be a normal tablecloth, but I keep it folded so then I can section off the squares that I'm going to cut the circles out of. I'm using a pan lid because I feel like that's a perfect size and it's easy to trace with. And I'm also using a pencil. It does not in any way, shape, or form have to be perfect because it's kind of hard to cut. I wouldn't say it's the easiest thing to cut. I mean, if you did it in smaller sections, it would probably be easier, but since I'm not going to, I'm doing big chunks so I can get it out of the way quickly because I have done nothing for this party and it's tomorrow. I'm now just gonna fold it back in half, and I've already drawn or traced my circle on this one. So I'm just gonna start cutting. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a pattern. So I'll start off with seafoam mint. I'm gonna lay it down. Now do my next color. I'm gonna put it basically like in the middle of it, or more so like, let's say 60% up of this. So when they fold over, they'll be close together, so they'll ruffle more. So I'm just layering, and there's really no science behind it. The nice thing is they stick together because they have a lot of static in them. So I'm gonna say mint, teal, blue, mint, teal, and I just keep doing this. Just keep doing this, overlapping. Now I'm gonna do my blue. Now that I have my tape, I'm just going to lay it on the first one at the top and go all the way down. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it is even or if it is not. Where I started, lift it up because that's going to pull them off much easier so they're not stuck to the table. But once I've pulled them off from the top, I'm going to flop them over. So where I ended is going to be the top. And this is how it lays. Obviously, you kind of have to separate them. Kind of. Because they do have a lot of static. But now that I have finished that piece I just did, I am going to just flip it over, over my clothing rack that I have the iridescent tablecloth on. I'm just going to lay it over the top, and I'll probably put tape on the back of it and then this is what it is going to kind of look like.